Righto, so we've got our agents moving. We want to set up some interactions between them so that we can actually start modeling. So our little blue elephants here need some friends. So we're going to pause them. We're going to go up the screen just a little bit and hit Edit Breeds. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of options here. First, I'm going to rename the turtles to elephants. It just helps me think, okay, that's one of the things that's happening. Secondly, we're going to add a breed. Okay, so we're going to put in here, I think we might put in tree. Well, let's make it trees. Okay, we might add another breed. Put in grass. Okay, and for the moment, we'll just leave it there. Okay, don't want to be making this too long. Heading down here then, we've got trees and we've got grass. We have to show these things in the world first. Okay, that's unusual. Something's gone funny there. Let's just reset that. Okay, so we want to create these things. So just like we did before, agents, pop it on the outside there. We want 2 of those. Okay, and as we've done before, let's say this time we're going to have 50 trees and we're going to have 150 grasses. So make that grass, make that trees, and I'm going to add the traits in. So here we go. Get a couple of these that we need. Okay, so we're going to set the tree size to quite large. Let's make a tree 5. We're going to set the color. Okay, make that green. And of course we need to set shape. Okay, so set my shape to, where is it? There's a tree in here somewhere. Tree. Alright, same thing here, a bit further down. We'll get those traits. We're going to need color and shape. Let's make the grass lime green in color. Its shape is built in. There's a grass built in there somewhere. There it is. And size just down to 1. Okay, now the other thing I've missed out here is that I do want to scatter these. I want a randomness in my space because that's how the environment really is. So let's get them up here and save. Run the code. Set up. Now we've got an environment and away we go. Okay, so we've got a good environment going, but we haven't really got any interactions. How do we do that? Well, we've got to pause that. Come down. Now let's say with the elephants that they interact and they have to detect a tree. So on collision with, well, let's start with grass because elephants do eat grass. Okay, we go delete agent, collide. Okay, and then we can make life easy. Copy that, paste it. Okay, and let's say too that elephants aren't really good for trees. Now save it and run the code. Set it up again. Let's see what happens. Okay, so our elephants are blundering along, knocking down trees and eating grass. Alright, see you for the next part.